Same team, explained. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that might seem simple but carries a deeper meaning. We're talking about the term, same team. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, how to use it, and its significance in conversations. In sports, players are divided into teams. Members of a single team work together to achieve a common goal, to win against the opposing team. So, when we say, same team, it literally means being part of the same group or side in a game or competition. However, the phrase, same team, isn't just confined to the sports arena. In everyday conversations, it's used figuratively to mean having the same goals or interests as someone else, working together with someone, being on their side, or supporting them. Reminding someone that you both should be cooperating instead of arguing or competing. For example, if two co-workers are arguing about how to tackle a project, a third might step in and say, "Hey, remember, we're on the same team." This is a way of reminding them that they have the same ultimate goal and should be working together. Let's look at some examples to help you grasp its usage. 1. When siblings argue over a toy, their mother might say, "You two are on the same team. Share the toy and play together." 2. In a group project at school, if two students have differing opinions, another student might say, "We should be working together. We're on the same team." 3. A manager might motivate their employees during a challenging time by saying, "Let's tackle this challenge. Remember, we're all on the same team here." So, there you have it. Same team is a phrase that goes beyond its literal sporting context and beautifully blends into our everyday conversations. It emphasizes unity, cooperation, and shared goals. We hope this explanation sheds light on the phrase and helps you use it more confidently in your communications. Until next time, happy learning!